Most people know the Strawberry Alarm Clock for one song. Incense and Peppermint, a number one hit from the Summer of Love. But here's what surprised me. I spent the last few days feeding 56 separate pieces of evidence into the Consciousness Observatory. Lyrics, interviews, albums, not opinions, evidence. And something fascinating happened. Instead of a one-hit wonder, a remarkably consistent portrait began to emerge. Across 6 collections, dozens of songs, and multiple interviews, the same center of gravity kept appearing. Detached attachment, subjective, mirror, present, individual. In other words, a band less interested in telling you what to think and more interested in inviting you to see differently. Listen to songs like Sit with the Guru, Birds in My Tree, Seashell, or even the legendary Incense and Peppermints, and you begin to notice the same thread. Wonder over certainty, curiosity over doctrine, imagination over conformity. The official Strawberry Alarm Clock website says they're still writing, recording, and performing nearly 60 years after they began, with new music continuing to build on that original psychedelic spirit. They're not just a 1967 memory, they're still creating today. Maybe that's why these songs feel alive, not because they belong to the past, but because they're still asking the same question. How else might we see the world? Maybe it's time to stop calling Strawberry Alarm Clock a one-hit wonder and started listening to the rest of the conversation.